Welcome to Platinum World Locksmiths, a day in the life of a locksmith. Today I'm on the way to East London. I've got a customer who wants a spare key for his VW Polo. So it's not a big job, it should be pretty quick. So stay locked and follow me on my journey. Hey guys, yeah, so we're right at the job. As you can see here, let me turn the car around, it's not this one. This is a 15 plate, it is this one over here. Let's get this on camera for you guys. Yeah, so here we've got a VW Polo 2010. So let's get this job done. Let's call the customer and see where they're at. Hey, how you doing, pal? You alright?
Yeah,
nice to meet you, man.
You too, man.
So this is the car here, yeah? The VW Polo 2010, sweet. Oh, now I know why you need a spare key. It's very bad shape. Alright, leave it with me. Do you want to wait around or call you when it's finished? Either's good. I don't know. Yeah, it won't take long. Maybe about 10 minutes or so. Guys, it should be a quick job. Actually, just a spare key. As you can see, the customer's key is in really bad shape, so let's sort this out for him. So many keys. Find the right one. Yeah, so here's the key here. Put this stuff away.
My cousin,
Okay.
he's in Turkey.
Yep.
He's doing exactly the same thing.
Oh, I did the same job.
Yes.
Oh, wicked.
I'm locksmith as well, but I don't do car.
Oh, just properties.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Do you enjoy the business?
Yeah, just building everything. I'm multi-trader.
Oh, okay. So you
Not a building.
get your hands in different pies. In this country, you have to hustle,
Yes.
as you know. You have to.
Otherwise,
Yeah, you will starve. So we're just gonna decode this blade quickly, which means basically read it, and so I can write it onto here basically. Done. All done. So that's both sides cut. Good to go. Now let's get the programming done. So we need this. We need this. Let's go. Plug this in. So now I'm gonna program the key. Now we're gonna add the key. Yes. So both remotes are programmed, as you can see. The lights are flashing. Yeah, so guys, I think we're done. Let's try the keys. First key, good to go. Second key, good to go. So guys, job done. You can need any keys for your car, spare keys, broken keys, lost keys. If you can't get into your vehicle, you need someone to get in safely, just give me a shout.